everybody. I want to take you to another raw restaurant. It's called Peace Pies. So I've already been here, but I want to show you it anyway. And they got some pretty good food. It's raw vegan food, but wait till you see what it looks like and what the dessert looks like. It's wild. It looks real. Excuse me. It looks cooked, I should say, as far as some of the desserts are concerned. But the raw entrees and stuff like that are ultra delicious. So let's check it out. So there it is, right across the street. So I'm going to show you a couple things I'm going to get. We're going to keep it short. So this is the place right here. There's usually some parking on the street nearby. I think the 2 lanes here for disabled. All right. I'm probably gonna eat here every night while I'm here in San Diego. They have raspberry lemonade, cake or pie, smoked salt, sea salt caramel, mint nibbler, cookie sandwiches, tea raw, soup. Then they have all this honey mustard, kale chips, and smoked cheddar kale chips, almond joy, hostess cupcakes, all kinds of stuff. So this is the menu here. Entrees. The lasagna was recommended to me. I like that stroganoff. I mean, it looks good. Think about the pie, pizza. There's some dessert. We'll see. So here's the little area. It's like a little jungle area you can eat in. This is where I'm going to eat. So I got quesadilla. I'm gonna try that eggless salad. I heard that was pretty good. And then I got these smoked cheddar kale chips. So I'm gonna try this eggless egg salad. Trying to open it with one hand and let you know how it tastes. Lots of recipes for this, but I haven't made it myself. It's pretty good. Kind of eggy. I'm not sure what. They have pepper, pepper, celery, a few other things in there. Here's the kale chips. Pretty good. So we'll wait for the quesadilla to come out. I'll let you know what that tastes like. All right, so the quesadilla came out. Check it out. Actually, it came with kale chips. And I got some guacamole, and this is the quesadilla. Let's check them out. So I think this is coconut wrap, and it has walnut meat in it, some kind of greens, tomato. I don't know what the powdery stuff is, but it looks good. So looks like maybe cashew cheese in there, and a bunch of mushrooms. All right, let's try it out. It's off the charts. It's good. That's a good option. He told me it's a slam dunk. He was right. So enjoyed the place. If you're in the town, stop at Peace Pies. They have great food. Whether you're raw vegan or eat anything, come here and get something healthy in you. All that stuff was good. I went away with peanut butter brownie and some coconut bacon. So I'm gonna give this a try, and I'm sure it'll be good. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, if you think you'd come to a place like this, press the like button. It is the best way to help the channel. Comment below. Let me know if you come here or not. I think you should if you're in town in San Diego. And I love hearing from you. So let's talk about it. And life is outside. So if you can't come outside, come with me. Love you.